Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today's video is going to be about how you can access your PC remotely without paying anything. For this, we are going to be using Sunshine, and you can use this Sunshine on your PC and Moonlight on your phone, so access your PC on your phone. Now you get the idea. It is basically for gaming, so let's try it. First of all you have to do is go to this link provided in the description and download Sunshine. Hit download and it will download Sunshine on your desktop or PC. Desktop PC or laptop. I am using my laptop, so in the releases page you can see there are a lot of pre-release software, but I actually recommend that you go with the latest tag, which means this is the stable version, and download the Windows exe image, the Windows executable. Expand the menu and here you can see this is the exe of Sunshine. Let's download it and wait for the download to complete. Okay, I have also downloaded other software for some other videos. Okay, so here we go. The download is now complete. Let's open it up and install Sunshine. It's gonna prompt you, so you're gonna say yes and install Sunshine. I am going with the default settings, not going to change anything at all. Just install it as default. If you want to change something, you can change that. It gives you all those options. Now let's wait for the installation to complete, and looks like the installation is now complete. No, this is just a table of contents by Sunshine. If you want to use how to use it or things like that, I'm only going to use it on my local network, not gonna access it across the world. So there's that. I am going with the default settings. Okay, the Sunshine is now installed and is running smoothly, I think. Now let's close everything. Okay, here we go. Now all we have to do is download Moonlight application on our Android, and it supports a lot of platforms, which is good for an open source software. Okay, let's open Sunshine right there. And this is gonna prompt you again. Hit advanced and proceed to Sunshine. Here we go. Now we are in Sunshine. All we have to do is enter our username and passwords. This is the first time, that is how we are going to create it. I'm not going to change anything at all. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. So these are things that you need in order to access your PC on your phone. I actually use Sunshine so I can play with my brother on my PC. He uses his phone and I only use the laptop. So that. Okay, this is done. Now I am going to enter those credentials that I just made, and I'm typing it wrong. Let me type it again. Okay, just let me enter the password, and oh no, wrong password. What did I do? Something wrong? Let me just try it again. Okay, I'm typing it wrong. I was typing Sunshine. It is Sunshine, not Shine. Okay, here we go. Now we are into the localhost. This is the web UI of Sunshine, which is great that you don't have to use anything else. Simply the web page and you're good to go. Now let's see what else do we get here. We got a pin, so we can pair it with our phone. We got some applications, desktop, Steam. Yeah, if you want to use exclusively Steam, which is good. If you want to use the entire desktop, you can use that. Sunshine is basically made for gaming, so that is why it has a lot of flexibility options, mainly for gaming. But you can also use it to access your PC remotely and change a lot of settings. I can enable downloading, disable downloading, and do lots of stuff. I can even turn it off while I'm in my bed and my laptop is on the table. There are a lot of settings around here. I'm showing you a lot of settings. Let's just not change anything at all. I'm gonna keep these defaults. Now on your phone, I am using iPhone here. It is also available on Android as well. Simply search for Moonlight. Search for it and download this Moonlight game streaming app. I will also provide Moonlight's links in the description. You can directly download it by going to the link and it will open up the App Store or the Play Store. Depends on what type of Android device or iPhone you have. And open up this application. And okay, it's going landscape mode and the resolution is kind of low. I don't know why, because it is kind of really slow here. It will give you the option once Sunshine is running. Let me see, connect to my PC. It's gonna give you a pin which I have blurred a little bit, so gonna keep it the privacy. Now you can open Sunshine right there and sign in with your username and password for security reasons. Okay, now you are into Sunshine. Now in the pin tab right there, you can enter the pin that is given on your mobile device. So let me type in that pin, hit send, and now it is connected. Now let's get back to our phone and see what is going on there. Let me close everything. Okay, now we are onto my phone. Alright, so now we are logged in. Now we are given two options. We can either start Steam directly or either go to the desktop mode and use the entire PC. So I am going to the desktop mode as of now, and we will also show you how you can enter Steam directly and play Steam games right from there without having to open the entire desktop. Also, you can swipe from the left side in order to open this menu, and you can change a lot of settings right from there. I am going to use minimum settings in order to have the good latency. Okay, now we are accessing the whole desktop from my iPhone. Very interesting, right? You can see I started the screen recording and now I'm actually stopping the screen recording on my desktop. Very great options. And also you can check a lot of things, open the entire desktop. Well, it actually goes slow when you have a lot of users on your network because it is using the local network. You can also reduce the resolution and things like that in order to maintain the smoothness. But if you have high-end PC and high-end network, you are good to go. If you have something like low-end, this is gonna stutter a little bit. Well, at least you can remotely access it. You don't have to get to your laptop or PC again and again. You can simply use your phone which you have in your hand and control your desktop right from there. Okay, what other things that we can do? Now let me reduce some resolution in order to have smooth stuff. I am choosing everything at the lowest right now, so my streaming gets smooth and I can game easily. I actually use controllers and things like that. Now let's open Steam big picture right from there. This is like running Steam OS because everybody knows about Steam OS, the ultimate way to game without having to open the Windows. So you can open Steam big picture right from there and play games directly from Steam without having to open the desktop option, which is great. You can either play using desktop, but I actually recommend if you are playing Steam games, open the Steam big picture and enjoy gaming at its fullest without notifications and things like disturbance. Okay, we have some games here. These are some recent games that I've opened or played. You can either start your Steam downloads right from there. If you are using the internet, you can stop your downloads in order to get the full internet speed. And if you are done, you can actually resume your downloads right from your phone. Okay, what else do we have here? We can enter multi-controller mode. We can have lowest possible bit rates in order for smoothness. You can check if you want what kind of touch mode you want. You can enable controller like this, and now I can use this controller options to play games, and also I can use it to navigate, which is pretty smooth if you don't want to use the touch screen and mouse kind of views. I actually like using mouse, but still if you don't want to use that, you can use the controller. This is most like a Steam controller or everything else. Okay, now I think I am having Connection issues. You can wake PC, test your network, and add other PCs as well, which means you can actually control all of your PCs if they are connected to Sunshine with this Moonlight options. So there's that. So this is how you can remotely access your PC and play games on it using your mobile device or any other device that you have. It is available on almost all platforms. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.